vinegars, the best solution for the stiffness of pain, okay? Because vinegars is very good to remove all the acid in the body. This theory, we call it organic acid remove organic acids. So when we take vinegars, is to remove the acid from the body. Now, how to take vinegars? Okay, there are two ways to take vinegars. First, you just dilute it with water. You must dilute it with water, no? Because our vinegars are pure vinegars, no? If I'm very pure, we have about 16% this thing. So we can put into the water, you dilute it to your liking. Then we can always mix these vinegars, like with our kolipine or with honey to taste. Then you drink it together. And vinegars contain about nearly 200 types of enzymes. The enzymes in vinegars is as much as in kolipine. Okay, it's in kolipine. So kolipine, we can always combine kolipine and vinegars together, no, to make it a good drink. So what is the advantage of taking vinegars? Just now, I talked about the food acid. So taking vinegars, we can remove the acid can balance, no? Remove the acid from the food. There's one advantage. Second advantage is the liver. Vinegar and alcohol, the effect all are opposite, you know. When you take alcohol, you make your blood vessel stiffen up, you know. So when you take too much alcohol, you have high blood pressure, you have a heart problem, you have all this problem. When you take vinegar, it softens your blood vessel, so it can reduce the what they call hypertension. It can reduce this heart problem. Okay. So when you taking alcohol, it will destroy your liver. If you take vinegars, it will improve your liver. Why it improve the liver? The theory is very simple. Let me explain. Liver is the largest organ in the body. Okay, so when you take acidic food, when your body have metabolistic this acid, okay, then your liver have to process, neutralize it, process, have to throw it out from the body. Normally we expect the liver to work about, they say, half of the day. They say 12 hours, 8 to 12 hours, okay? The active time of liver started from 11 o'clock at night, not the daytime, you know. The daytime there's a lot of activity. So the liver, from 11 o'clock at night until 3 o'clock in the morning. So this is the time where the liver is the most active. That's why there are many school of thoughts is that we should start to sleep, you know, before 11 to what they call, to 3 o'clock. This still you don't do anything, you know, but this is the time where your liver is going to take rest and going to repair itself. But the problem is that nowadays, due to the activity, we may not be able to sleep at 11, but you do one thing, okay? At night, after 9 o'clock, you should not do any thinking. You should not do any planning to become millionaire. You should not do any planning to build a big house. No, you must take your brain must relax after 9 o'clock. In the evening, so that your liver can take good rest. These are the things. The problem is like that, you know. If you are working, how many hours when you go to work? 8 hours, am I right? 8 hours we are working. What happens if your boss asks you to work 24 hours? We become mad, because nobody can work 24 hours. Okay, that must be a very mad boss. They must be a very bad boss to ask us to work 24 hours. Okay? Now, our liver is supposed to work 8 hours, no? Now because of the acidic food, okay? Now because of many this activity at night, our body produces so much acid now, the liver has to work 24 hours. So are we a good boss or are we a bad boss? We are a very bad boss. Okay, we keep on asking our liver to do and never pay any OT, you know, the what they call overtime to the this. Then we are very bad employer. Okay, this the one problem. Okay. Second problem is that when liver keep on working, you know, eventually it get out of balance. Okay, when it is out of balance, the chemical, because liver is a chemical factory inside the body. So when liver is out of balance, your body will out of balance. So you have hypertension, your heart problem, your diabetes, all sort of problems coming in, okay? Then when the body is out of balance, your mind also out of balance. So people become not happy, people become angry, people become sad all the time. So you agree with me? So now, drinking vinegars can make you happy. Okay, why? Because it removes all the acid from the body, okay? Then your liver can take rest. So we become a good boss. Take good care of the liver. Okay, so we must take vinegars. So the theory is very simple, no? Okay, but when you have time, of course, we can study more on that. So basically, we take vinegars is to remove the acid in the body, okay, to make the liver started to take good rest. In DXN, remember, one product, one function, okay? Now, we have RG and GL, okay? RG is to remove all the toxin from the body. GL is to repair back, you know? Okay, one is removing, one is balancing back, okay? Now we have this spirulina. Spirulina is a nutrient, you know? Spirulina contain one more element, you know? What is that in spirulina? Something to do with the green color? Chlorophyll. Do we need chlorophyll in our diet? We need chlorophyll. Why we need chlorophyll? Because chlorophyll is the basic, what we call building structure for the blood. Okay? So the blood, the hemoglobin, is mainly, we are built from this, what we call, the green matter in the plant. Now, if you do not take chlorophyll in your diet, you need to recycle the blood, you know. When you recycle your blood, it exerts on your spleen, okay? Because your spleen have to collect the dead blood, okay? Then have to decompose it. Then after that, your liver have to work very hard to restructure the material. Then your kidney have to work very hard to produce the necessary hormones to make it into a second-hand blood. Anything second-hand is no good. Yeah. Now, if I give you a good car, a new car, and a second-hand car, what do you want? A new car, second-hand car? You want new car. Okay? So when I go to Ethiopia, no, to rent a car, he said, if it is new car, it's $270 per day. If it's second-hand car, $160 per day. It's your choice. Oh, we choose new car. Okay? Even that, you have cough, no? It is the thing. Okay, new car. The blood, the same thing, you know. New blood is always better than recycled blood. If you do not take green food, you know, green vegetable, okay, then your blood become recycled. After I talked to many members last time, no, before Spirulina, so I asked them, do you take green vegetable? They say, yes, we take a lot of green vegetable. So what do you take? So they take tomato, they take carrot, they take bean, they take. I said, that is good, that is vegetable, but that is not green vegetable, no? G-R-E-E-N, green. These are the thing. Not potato, not tomato, okay? Not, they are good, but they cannot produce blood as a green matter, no? Okay, but nowadays people don't take green food anymore. You agree with me? Because green food are bulky, you know? Okay, so a restaurant don't have so many place for the green food. So they go for bean, they go for potato, they go for all these things because that is easy for them to manage. Okay, so we produce spirulina, green food. Okay, today, of course, I do not go into the details on the thing. Okay, so now, then we also produce what? Codipine. Codipine and vinegar, they are the same category. Okay, they have a lot of enzyme that help us to digest. Because our body only produces 50% of the enzyme. The other 50% must come from the food or external source. So if you do not take codipine, if you do not take vinegars, okay, your body has to produce 50% more this enzyme to digest the food. So basically, these are the factors that we need to, what they call. So you can see in the picture here, we have the vinaigrette. Last time I go to one place, no, people told me, you have one new product, no? They call it vinaigrette, what do you call it, vinaigrette. This one we put it as vinaigrette. Okay, so I say we don't have product called vinaigrette, you know. It's a vinaigrette. I mean, it's a good sound for vinegars. Vinegars sound very rude. This one sound a little better. It is vinegars, okay, in a sense, okay. So this remember, codify and vinaigrette, their function are same. Their function are same. But why we produce codify and vinaigrette? Okay, their nutrients not the same. Codify very rich in nutrients because from fruit, from everything. Then this vinaigrette is very good in removing the acid from the body. Much stronger in a sense. That's why if you have joint pain, you know, you want to remove the pain, vinaigrette is much faster than codify. But to build your body strong, you need codify. Depend on your need. You want to have a good energy, performing well, codify. You want to remove all the acid from your body, vinaigrette. Okay. But the best solution is to mix these two together and drink. That's the best solution. Yeah. We have many beautiful, no? We have many beautiful. This testimony from the vinaigrette. This the thing. Now, how about coffee? Is it good to drink coffee? Yes. Why we need to drink coffee? Why? Tasty, you know? Yeah. It's tasty. Of course, it's tasty. I agree with you. It's a thing. The society today is different from 20 or 30 years ago. 20 or 30 years ago, they're not so convenient, you know? You want to go to the office, you have to go up to the stair. Now we have elevator. Okay, so now the public transport also very easy. Last time, average, human being need to walk about 2 to 3 kilometers a day, 3 kilometers away for the walking, last time. But nowadays people hardly walk for 100 meters or 200 meters. Am I right? This thing. So there are lack of exercise now. Do we need to exercise for how long per day in order to keep the body healthy? How long should you exercise every day so that you are healthy? 1 hour a day. How many of you exercise 1 hour a day? Oh, okay. Not to say 1 hour a day. Sometimes not even 1 hour a week. Some not even 1 hour a month. Some never exercise. These are the things. Okay. If you do not exercise, what will happen to you? Why we need to exercise? If you want to exercise, look at aquarium, Aquarium always has some bubble, am I right? Why we need a bubble in aquarium? To aerate the aquarium, so that the aquarium will be full of oxygen. If you do not aerate, the fish may die. Or the fish will become very dark and active. Our body needs oxygen, am I right? Okay, so we need to aerate the body. Of course, we can through breathing. Okay, through breathing. You must understand, breathing alone is not enough, So we need the skin, okay, to breathe, to exchange the air. So these are the two main functions, Breathing. To aerate the body, you need a few functions. First, we breathe, okay. Then about 80 to 85%. Then another 10 to 15% is through the skin. You see, there is this near oil factory, they produce near oil. So one day the workers, they're joking with each other, So they paint the near oil throughout the whole body. Not only the near, they paint the paint. And the worker die of suffocation. They are chained, People are painting. Last time in Taiwan, in China, there are a few cases. The painter, they are joking with each other, they paint the whole body, and they die in suffocation because we need this thing together. Thirdly, very few people there, we need exercise to aerate the body. When we exercise, our blood vessel expand, okay, then your lung will breathe much faster, and then we are pumping through the oxygen to the body, okay. So exercise, excuse me. So exercise, appropriate exercise will increase oxygen in the body. It's about one or 2 hour exercise. But of course, if this exercise is prolonged, too long, no, then it will deplete the oxygen. So you don't exercise excessively, you know. You exercise excessively, you cause a lot of harm to the body. A lot of harm. Because there's one case in Taiwan, you know, there's one lady, okay, he stay in 5-story. So he forced herself to walk 4 or 5 times every day, you know. Go to the 5-story, come to the 5-story, go to the 5-story. One day collapse and die. It's just some people they go for jogging, you know. Okay, many of them collapse and they die because they exercise too much or anything too much is no good. Okay, so what we mean is 1 hour. But the problem is that now we do not exercise even 1 hour a day. What should we do now? What should we do now? Drink coffee. When you drink coffee, you open out the blood vessel in the body, okay? You aerate the body. Now, many people, they want a proof. They say, Dr. Lim, can you give us any proof? Can we prove or not? Very easy to prove. How to prove it? You apply the coffee on your face. Coffee, you know? A lot of toxin will deposit on the face. So when you apply coffee on your face, it opens out the blood vessel, you flush out all the toxin, then you can have a very fresh face. So coffee is one of the best masks that you can have. Okay, so you apply coffee on the face. Okay, and it had this whitening effect. When I say whitening, it do not change the color of your skin, you know. Okay, last time when I go to India, they telling me, hey, Dr. Lim, are you going to change us into European? No, we cannot change the color of the skin, okay? But when you remove the toxin of the face, your face will look shining. Your face will look very, there's this thing. I think last month, when we are in Europe, you know, there's one cosmetic manufacturer go to this Austria, this Vienna, to make me, you know. He put our coffee into his cosmetic, you know, and he's selling like a hotcake, you know. Selling like a hotcake, okay. But of course, you do not need to buy cosmetic in the coffee. You just mix the coffee with some water and apply on the face. It can become a good mask. You believe in me? Yeah, try it. They can prove that it can aerate the body. Can you apply this Codipine on your face? Can you apply vinegar on the face? Can you produce mask from RG and GR? DXN, we have one formula, you know, for skincare. Very good formula. Do you want to have the formula? To make your skin look very nice. Yes? No. Whatever good for your stomach is good for your skin. In Japan, you know, they are kind of skincare. They apply this what they call skincare on the body. Each treatment will cost